Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hardeep, Assistant Professor and Head of Psychology Department, Gujri College, Fatehgarh. On behalf of Psychology Department, I welcome you all to the lecture series on drug abuse, problem, management and prevention. Drug abuse is a serious problem all over the world and there is need to sensitize the youth regarding drug abuse. For better understanding of this concept, we have divided the whole syllabi into 5 different modules. Let's have a look at various modules. Module 1 includes Problem of Drug Abuse, Concept and Overview, Psychoactive and Non-Psychoactive Drugs, Prevalence of Drug Abuse with special reference to Punjab. Module 2 includes Brief Introduction of Drugs such as stimulants, depressants, narcotics and inhalants. Module 3 pertains to Nature of the Problem, Vulnerable Age Groups, Signs and Symptoms of Drug Abuse, that is physical, behavioral, psychological and academic science. Module 4 covers physiological, psychological and sociological causes of drug abuse, consequences of drug abuse for individual, family and society. Module 5 pertains to management of drug abuse, that is medical management, psychosocial management, prevention of drug abuse, role of family, school, media, legislation, de-addiction centers, and religion intervention of drug abuse. This was all about the modules of drug abuse. In the next video, we will discuss about problem of drug abuse, nature and overview, psychoactive and non-psychoactive drugs. Till then, take care. Thank you.